Brainy Gibbs, and I'm back, and I wanted to do a video showing you a look featuring the Makeup Revolution London Patricia Bright Shadow Palette that I purchased at Ulta, and I wanted to do some kind of look. And this is the palette with all these beautiful shades. I had hauled it. When did I haul it? I hauled it, I think, last week. But I figured why not do a look. I just did my brows. So right now I'm going to go in with a primer. I don't even know what I did with my primers because I haven't worn eyeshadow in a couple of days. So I'm just going to, let me see y'all, where my primer's at. Where's my primer? And it's just the next best thing. So I'm just going to put it on my lid. And that works pretty good too. And okay, so let's see. The first shade that I might go in with is called it's called Queen, and that's this here like chestnut looking brown. And I'm just gonna put that in the crease as my transition shade. And I had a subscriber, a few, that wanted me to do a tutorial talk through. And you guys know sometimes I'm a talker and some days I don't have much to say. Today is one of those days I don't have much to say, but I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys. So what you see is what you get. I didn't even think of a look. No kid, I'm not lying to you. I don't even know what kind of look that I'm gonna go with. But for tonight, I probably end up doing this pretty color right here. It's called No Exit. Put that on my brush. I'm just gonna put that on my lid because I thought it was pretty. That's a pretty green. And I need a different kind of brush for this look. Okay, so put that on my brush. And this is one of the shades that made me purchase the palette, because I'm like, this shade is bomb diggity, very, very pretty. So that's why I end up getting it. That's my supervisor texting me. I don't know what she wants. This shadow is a really pretty shadow, but it's not like a regular eyeshadow. It's kind of like the texture is a little different. So I'm just gonna do a quick look. I ain't going nowhere, y'all. Nowhere at all. I'm just at home doing laundry, getting these clothes clean. Okay, where's my little brush at? And I'm gonna go in again with this shade. And this is like a quick look if you want to, you know, look like something. You know, you just put that on your lid. You don't have to do too much. You know, just put something cute on your lids if you're going out. And then I'm gonna take I'm gonna take a regular brush, y'all. I don't be knowing brushes. I just grab whatever I think that's gonna work. And we're gonna go in, let's see, I wanted a cute, we're going to use, I want to go in with this deep brown, but that's not really saying much, y'all. Maybe I'll go in with Miss Call. Let me see, is it a shimmer? Yeah, I'll go in with this one right here. It's called Miss Call. Or maybe I can go in with Trendsetter. Let me see. Trendsetter's pretty too. I'm going to go in with Trendsetter. I'm going to use another brush because I don't jack that brush up. I'm going to go in with this pretty green right here. It's called Trendsetter. I'm going to put that right here in the outer V. Yeah. I'll put that like so. You guys, I wore the Jaclyn Hill palette maybe for about a week, and I put it down. I like the palette, but I don't know, it's just not calling me. It's not calling me, I don't know why. This brush. Yeah, so I just decided to go in with this shade right here. This shade is like a real smoky look. One of my favorite, and this is one of my favorite foundations. It's called the Maybelline Fit Me. It's the matte and poreless, and I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. primer, and I showed you guys this many times. It's a pretty good drugstore primer. Just apply that all over my face. Guys, I gotta do my nails. My nails need to get done. I'm gonna give myself a manicure once I get through with all of this. But I didn't want to mess my nails up because I messed my nails up the last time. I'm going to close this for now, and I'm going to go in with this here foundation. And the shade that I'm in is called Classic Tan. And that's basically all that I need. I'm going to go in with this, what is this, the Morphe M439 brush. And I like to spray my face and the brush for some reason, and I just tap. So I'll just keep blending until I think it's decent. And this is for concealer. I'm going to use some of the Fit Me concealer. And this look is only if you are rushing and you are trying to go somewhere, but you're trying to look a little decent. I go in on top for a highlight look. My Sonia Kashuk sponge, and I'm just going to blend this concealer in. I'm looking up. And my son is out of school like the rest of America, and I'm not liking it. I like when he's in school, he needs to learn. But they send homework home, so I make him do the homework. And it's a good thing that he can do it online. And I don't apply much foundation because I'm going in with like concealers and powders and whatnot. So the next thing that I do, let me go in under my eye one more time. So the next thing that I do, I take my powder. This is from Morphe, my big powder brush, and I just go over my foundation with the brush. And then I get like a little brush and I set, my under eye powder with this. I usually set it with something different, but today we're gonna just use this. Yeah. And my favorite bronzer is Ipanema Sun. Hopefully I'm saying that right, from Becca. And this is a quick fast, you guys. Quick fast look. When you want to look halfway together. And I'm going to put some blush on. That's next. This is from Catrice Cosmetics, and this blush is called Golden Coral. It's okay. Sometimes it doesn't show up. It doesn't last long on the face. You know, blush usually kind of like disappears, but this blush really disappears. So I kind of like pack it on kind of heavy, and by the time I get home, it's probably like gone. So yeah. And we're gonna go in with Whisper of Guilt, and we're gonna just put that right there. I think that looks so pretty. And I'm gonna put it on this side as well. Yeah, and I need some lashes, y'all. Yes, I'm gonna go underneath. I don't want to look too smoky. Okay, I need something in the inner corner. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this green underneath, like so. I don't want to look too. Okay, and from my inner corner, I'm going to use another palette. I don't know what color. Should I go in with the gold? Hold on, let me. I love shimmer, so we're going to go in with this shimmer look. That'll work. Okay, so what I do is I like to spray my face, you guys, before I put on my lashes. So I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, but I'm gonna spray my face on camera, and I put this bonnet on because y'all know your girl is natural. And honey, any wet hair will revert back. We can't have that. And I put a little bit of this Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Someone asked me if I use the Morphe Matte and the Morphe Luminous together. I don't. I've never tried it. I mean, I don't know. To each his own. I just like to use these two. And I'll be back once I finish putting on my lashes in a minute. Alright, my love. So I'm back, and this is the look that I went with. A quick little pretty smoky green eye with a, what lip did I put on today? I went with a satin lipstick. It's called Shrimpton. And I went in with, at first it was Coca-Cola, or shall I say Cola lip liner from NYX, but then I didn't like that, so I went in with MAC Chestnut. And this is the look that I got, and I put on some random lashes from Vault Lashes. I picked these up at TJ Maxx. They were like $5.99 for a pack of 4. Is it 4 or 5? Yeah, 5 lashes. But yeah, guys, this is the look, and I used my Revolution palette. Yeah, so I really like this palette, and the shades are really nice, and I hope you you guys like. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, guys, have a blessed one.